Viral Science, the home of creativity.
Hey friends, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to make a water level indicator system which automatically triggers the water pump as the water level gets low and also turns off the water pump as water level gets high. As you can see, there is a relay which turns on and off the water pump. So now the water level is empty, the relay is turned on, and as the water level goes high, the relay turns off. So let's get started with this video.
This video is sponsored by Ultium Designer. It's a professional grade PCB designer software company. You can design high quality PCB with advanced routing engine that includes powerful tools. You can visualize your PCB in 3D format. So immerse yourself in visually stunning photorealistic 3D world of your PCB design with Ultium PCB Designer. Start your free trial now. Links are in the description down below.
So for this project you will need an Arduino Nano, a water sensor, 16x2 I2C LCD display, a relay module and a water pump, some jumper wires and a breadboard. Now follow the circuit diagram and make your connections. So now connect your Arduino board with your computer and we'll start programming it. So here is the code. First we have declared all the libraries which we will be using. Then we have declared all the pin numbers. We have set the output pin for the relay. And here is the conditions. We are receiving the values from the water level sensor and according to it we are triggering it and we are displaying it. So select the board and the port and upload the code. So now let's test the system. As you can see, the water level is empty as the sensor is out. So we'll put the sensor in the water. As you can see, the level changed to medium and then to high and it turned off the water pump. So when we'll remove the sensor, the level goes to low and it starts the water pump to start filling the water in the tank. So friends, I hope you like this. Then do subscribe my channel and hit that like button and I will see you in the next one.
Do subscribe and press bell icon to get instant notification for new video.